Hello everyone. Uh, I'm I'm uh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck on a lifesaver right now, so you're gonna hear some crunching pretty soon. So get ready for that. Anyway, I'm going to be doing my first Python program of the year, and last year, I'm sorry, 2018. Let me close this. Okay, in 2018 was my first time finishing a Python course, and I was able to do like two of the three main projects by myself. You know, I did the final project. Uh, 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 I did the blackjack project where I had to make a game of blackjack. And then I think there was a yield project or a generators project or something like that, maybe decorators. But I was able to do two of the sectional projects, and I was able to do the final project, which the final project was actually two parts. So I was able to do I was able to do four parts of the project completely by myself. And yeah, um, so um, these lifesavers taste really good. Um, so what I'm gonna do this year is I'm gonna try to recreate. I'm gonna try to teach myself how to recreate the blackjack program, and I'm gonna try to teach myself how to recreate the blackjack program. Um, yeah. So So the first time I did it, it was very unpolished. It was very. I sort of had to. When I created my blackjack program, I had to enter every card manually because I had forgotten the for loops in Python. So I went back and I went back and I looked at the solution video for that project, and he had a much better way of doing it. So instead of doing it my way, which is extremely inefficient, I'm gonna learn his way. And I think it was a Purian. The name of the company was Purian. It's the Python boot camp on Udemy, which I've gotten a lot of good use out of Udemy. So anyway, back to the Python. So first things first, uh, import random. Um, let's see. Suits. So I imported random because we're gonna have to do some random math in this program, and I'm going to make the suits. I'm gonna make the suits of the cards for blackjack. There's four suits, and I'm gonna make the values, which is I believe that's the dictionary, and I'm going to make the ranks. So I keep forgetting there's suits, values, and ranks in a card game. Okay, so um, apparently I've done some research. Apparently, uh, excuse me. Apparently, suits equals. Okay, so this is gonna be a list. This is gonna be a list. Suits would be actually. I might want to make this a tuple. I'm not sure if this will work, but I'm gonna try to make it a tuple. So Suits, the tuple for suits is, well, you know what, I'll make it a list. It doesn't matter. Okay, the list for suits is, um, uh, diamonds, and I can't, yeah. When you're writing in English, you put the comma before the quotation mark, but when you're writing in programming, you have to put the comma after the quotation mark. So, just so if you're wondering, so suit, diamonds, clubs, hearts, yeah, I was trying to think of the last one, which is spades. Okay. Ironically. Oh, okay. Um, ranks equals. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I guess this would be. I guess this would be. Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay. Ranks equals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, I believe the cards go up to 10, and then you have Jack, Queen, King, and Ace. Okay. And I'm not gonna add Joker because that's a whole different story. Okay, so um, values. Okay, value pairs, which is going to be a dictionary. Let's see. Name, which is going to be 2, and value is going to be 2. Actually, yeah. All right, so I'm going to. All right, so I copied the values from the ranks into the dictionary for the values because it's the same thing. I'm just gonna add the key value pair. So 3, 3, and let me move on over here, and 4, 4, and then move on over here, 5, 5, and let me move ahead, 6, 6, and over here, 7, 7, and then 8, 8, and then over here, 9, 9, and over here, 10, 10, and then move over here, Jack, 11, yeah, I believe that would be 11, and Queen 12, I'm sorry, I was supposed to put a semicolon there, 12, King 13, actually, wait a minute, I think I got this wrong, because in the book, I'm sorry, in the program, they said that the ace was going to be 1 and 11. So it's going to be either the least valuable or the most valuable. So if ace is 1 or 11, then that means that the king, queen, and jack are 8, 9, and 10. So I have to go back I have to go back here and I have to go back here, right? Yeah. And I have to go back here. I don't play cards that often, so I don't 8 and 9 and 10 and 11. And I think the rules of a certain type of blackjack state that if you have 21, if you have 20 points and you have an ace and you draw an ace on your next move, then that ace is worth 1 point and you win the game. You know, so the rule of blackjack is that each player there's one deck, there's a shuffle deck, and each player starts off with, I think, one card or two, yeah, one card or two cards, and then you you don't know what your opponent's cards are. So you can either get another card to get you to closer to 21, or you can stay, which says that you give up. So whichever, at the end of the game, after all the hits and stays, and at the end of the game, whoever's the closest to 21 without going over 21 is the winner. So if you get exactly 21, you win. If you both get the exact same number, then it's a tie. If you know, if so yeah. All right, so, and I'm pretty sure that you need I don't remember exactly, but I think you need a semicolon if you're doing um, um, variables in Python. I don't remember exactly, but I think you need a semicolon. Okay. So let me make sure that these key value pairs are written correctly. I don't have any open quotes, or messed up looking semicolon. I'm sorry, not semicolons. These are colons. Yeah, I don't have any messed up looking colons at the end. Okay, so that takes care of that. So we imported random. We got the suits, the ranks, and the values. So we're gonna go over to card. Okay. Okay. Card equals. All right. I forgot. Let's see. Okay. I think. Let's see. I think you write. I'm a little bit rusty here, so I think you write class card, and then you have the parentheses, and then you say suit rank. Actually, you would have to, since it's a class, you would have to write self. So self, suit, and rank. Okay. So, and then you take 2, and then you type in double underscore in it, and then double underscore. Okay. All right. So, okay. Actually, I think, let's see. Yeah, wait, go back, colon, and double underscore. So um, let's see. I forgot if well, I'll figure that out later. Okay, so uh yeah, so this needs an extra tab because it's within the init. It's within the init, and it won't. So if it's lined up parallel to the init, then it'll execute in parallel with the init. But if it's lined up staggered from the init, it will execute as a subroutine. So all right, so okay. Let's see. Uh, let's see. Init self dot uh, suit equals self. I'm sorry. Self dot suit equals suit. Okay, and double tab self dot rank equals rank. All right. So before I even do that, let me. I don't think. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Though I might wanna save myself a little bit of time and then put the suit rank. Might wanna save myself some time and do that. And string. Okay. String. So if you type, if you type print print card, or print the name of the card, not the class of it. Well, I guess you could print the class of the card, but if you want to print the actual card that is made from the class, then this is what's going to show up. Okay, so string, suit and rank. Or let's see, why don't I say self dot suit and self dot rank. And I think that was one of the issues I was having when I was learning Python. Okay, so print. This is the actually I think it's self dot suit. No, self dot rank of self dot suit. Okay, so let's see. All right, so okay, what's next? Get the deck. Okay, so let's see. I don't think because with Ruby you put the end symbol. You put the end symbol at the end of the function, and with JavaScript you do the curly braces. But I don't think you do any of that with Python. I think with Python is based on the indentation from the side. I think that as long as it's indented from here, it'll apply to the function declaration above it, or the class declaration above it. So I think I'm okay leaving it just like that and going to class deck. Okay, self card Let's see. Um, okay, self card. All right, class deck self card. So, um, um, hmm. All right, so I guess I don't need that. Okay, so all right, tab and let's see. I got a double enter, double underscore init. Um, okay, I guess self. I don't know. Let's see. Um, um, what is it? So. Oh, I guess I'll say deck equals. I guess that's what I'll say. Um, and okay, so string, okay, self, okay, for card in deck. So I'm sorry, I don't need to say that. Um, I don't need to say that. Actually, I can just, maybe I should put self dot deck. Alright, so, alright, so for card and deck, card dot, card dot, oh yeah, I'm sorry. For card and deck, print card. Okay. Alright, so for card and deck, print card. Okay, so um for card and deck. So basically what this is that when you have these string functions, basically if you want to print a class, typically you don't just want to print the memory location of the class or the computer's definition of the class. You want to print what the class actually does and what it says. And with computers are not smart. Computers are not intelligent, so you have to tell it exactly what to print when you use the print function on your class. So yeah. So that's it. I'm going to finish this on my own. and I'll see if how far I can get. So yeah, bye. You know what? Let me see one more thing. Let me see. Let's see if okay. Uh, let's see if I can save this as a .py. Let's see if this works. Okay, yeah, it worked. It saved as the actual file format of a Python file. So yeah, so it works. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's grammatically correct, but so I'll be able to check this out in the future. Anyway, so thanks everyone, and I'm going to exit out of this, and thanks.